Picked this saw up off of Craigslist for pretty much nothing because it's missing the deck plate. The guy was afraid to use it. I'll check the blade to make sure everything's still square, nothing's been whacked out of line. Everything still looks good. So I decided I'm gonna make my own deck plate. Close that in that I can take on and put back off as I need to. Let's do it. Make sure these factory edges are square. Looks good. Let's cut it. All right, got it marked up, clamped down. I'll cut it with a grinder. See how straight I can cut. Just use scrap plywood as a guide. Not too bad. That thing's hot. Just drop it in there. Not a bad fit. We'll just put the screw holes in it and tighten it down. Initially it was sitting just a little bit high. I thought the metal was a little too thick, but after taking my file to it, it's perfect. Just got to put some holes in it and screw it down. I was having a hard time getting a mark on my plate from the bottom, so I used it to make a template out of cardboard, and then I came up from the bottom and poked a hole in them. Now I'll use this to make the marks on my metal. Here's the piece I made. You see I beveled so the screws would sit flush with the top. When I first dropped this in here, these holes, this hole didn't line up perfect. This one did. This one didn't. It's actually held in place with this clip. So I filed off the front and bored out the hole a little bit. Now you can see it lines up perfect on both of them. Time to put it on there. Seems to fit perfect. Slide right across. Can't even feel the screws. Sweet. See you.